how you guys doing? This is Mao. I thought I'd give you a small tour, an update of my van. I will say it's 95% done, the interior, and I have some other stuff that I'm gonna do on the exterior, but let me give you a tour and give you an update. Enjoy. This is a 2013 Volkswagen Crafter 2.0 4 cylinders turbo diesel, and this is a manual transmission, which I love. The first thing I did, I changed the tires. I went for the biggest I can fit, and these are the BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. I'm still working on the roof, but I have my 2 solar panels, 150 each, and I have some Rhino racks there, and I have a max air fan as well on the roof. On the passenger side, I have one window. I decided to go with 3 small windows through the whole van, just because I don't like big windows. I put 2 by the bed and 1 by the kitchen. In the back, I have a Thule bike carrier. I can carry 2 bikes. Eventually, I'm going to upgrade, and I don't know if I'm gonna go with the all carry tire, or there's another option with the luminous. I'm undecided yet. As you can see, there's the 2 windows, one for the bed, one for the kitchen. I really like this setup. I don't like big windows at all. I have my shore power, which I can connect when I go visit family or any camp ground. I also have my propane tank on the bottom of the van. Pretty much that's what I did on the exterior. I'm still working. I'm gonna do a lot more stuff on the exterior. What I did, I painted with a bed liner on the grill, so let me show you that. It looks better. That's a bed liner. Eventually I'm gonna paint the hood with a bed liner as well, but like I say, it's a work in progress. So let me show you the inside. The inside, I will say, is like 90% finish. I have more stuff to do. That's my seat, and I have a swivel table, the Lagoon, which I haven't put it on it. First thing you see is the fire extinguisher, and some storage behind the seat. That's my cabinet. I have 2 doors with my 20 liters fresh water tank. I have a small speaker just to listen to music. Sounds decent. That's my inverter and my controller. I have a key holder, which is a small amp, guitar amp. I can turn it on. That doesn't do anything, just for looks. But I just like having my keys, on hand or whatever. And that's a small compartment storage that I add for clothes or whatever. That's the window by the kitchen. I have my stove there, which I'm still had to run the lines, as well as the water plumbing. That's part of what I need to finish. I also have a 12 volt outlet and a USB outlet to charge my phone by the bed. Those bags I also added just to have more storage. That's the bed. That's a full-size bed with a 10-inch mattress. I went a little crazy with the mattress, but it's so comfortable. I have the fan. I really like this fan because you can twist it every direction, anywhere. You can put it by the seat, or when you're sleeping on summer, and you just open uh, the fan on the ceiling, and you can just feel the breeze. It's really cool. The windows by the bed, I have two. I have two doors. The top one is where I have all my utensils, which I like. I have knives, I have spoons, and some random stuff. These are really sturdy. Now I haven't gotten open. The middle one is just for my personal, stuff. And the bottom one I have some cubes with clothes, which is I can fit a lot of clothes in there. My pants and shirts, pajamas. On the middle side of the bed, on the bottom, I have my fridge. It's automatic. I'm still going to put some rails so I can bring it out and in out of the bed. A door is gonna go there too. And that's one of my 110 outlets. I normally use it for my blender or to connect any computers or laptops or whatever. And I have another one by my seat. That's my inverter. I have a 10-inch stereo with Apple Play, and this is a 6-speed manual transmission. So nice to have a stick shift. And like I say, it's 90 to 95% done. I'll do a full tour when it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and share.